like a hummingbird in springs in bloom, springs in bloom. Brand new colors like I have.
Very special day of Manila.
I'm with you. Right now, I'm feeling something. Right now, it's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb.
Lord, sa buhay ni Lola Mila, the same.
'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. Feels like I'm dancing in poetry in shades of blue, shades of blue. No words, words can't ever quite explain what emotions do.
Sa lumabas, sa lumabas.
Right now, I'm feeling something. Right now, it's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive. 'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive. 'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like.
My sister, I love you so much. Happy Apple. May you have many more than 75 more years to come.
It's never felt quite like this.
Stay lang, ma. Ano pa? More years to come. I love you.
It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light. 'Cause everything will change when you open your eyes.
Parang natin siya yung auntie, nanay, gano'n. Yun na manunod tayo ng sine. Yung pala, mag-date sila ni Uncle Ben. Sa gitna ako, Team Mila. Team Mila. From the bottom of our hearts, from Escoto siblings, we love you. We care for you and sorry, naalala ko kasi yung mga magulang namin. Since nawala yung mga magulang namin at an early age, si Auntie Mel, parang napupuntahan namin sa family. You're beautiful and healthy and ready to ready to mingle.
Hindi siya marunong magbiyahe pero nararating niya yung lugar namin para na ma-check kami or to save us pag may mga problema kami. Lalo na po ako yung concern ko sa family ko. We will be forever grateful. Sobra. Napakabuting nanay.
di ba kung namin siya? Sa mga susunod pang mga tao. Yan. Maraming po salamat for your life.
Lahat ng cast na nasabi na. Pero one thing for sure, one of the best auntie ko. Kasi sabi nga nila, yung bahay kasi ng auntie ko yung pinaka-safe haven namin. Safe house. Kami, napagalitan ng mga mother namin, sa tapuan namin, auntie nila. Auntie Polo, down to Cavite. Auntie Mina is may ninang sa Binyag, sa Kumpil, sa Kansal, lahat kinuha niya na. Pero, up to now, she's my second mom. One of the best. Kaya ante, I love you so much. Ano naman? Thank you, ante.
I love you.
Napakalaman natin ang mga pamilya na nagmamahal.
So don't you let the sunlight go out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like it was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out. Lost, no matter where you've been. You've been trying hard just to make it alone. Well, I can help you, baby, let me carry the load. I'll do anything to make you see what it's like. 'Cause every